Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to read our sight word poem, We See Leaves. Now look at this word, we. This is our sight word of the week. But I see another sight word here that we already know and we learned. Put your finger on it. That's right, it's see. Now if you notice, I highlighted the word we because we are going to be word detectives. We are going to find all the words that say we in this poem. We are also going to use our super duper sight word detective eyes and find some of the other sight words like see and the that we have learned so far. And we are going to underline them. So I'm underlining the word see because that was our previous sight word. That means we've already learned it and we know it. Let's read together. We see leaves. Now remember, boys and girls, put your sight word detective goggles on and help me find the word we, and we're going to highlight it, and our previous, that means we've already learned them, sight words see and the. We see leaves. We see orange. Do you notice that I put the color orange underneath as a clue to help you? We see, what do you think this word is? That's right, it's brown. We see leaves on the ground. We see, look at that clue, and I know it starts with a y sound. What do you think that word is? That's right, yellow. We see, shout it out with me, everyone, red. Great job. We see leaves above our head. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, time to find our we's and highlight. Okay, read along with me again. We see leaves. We, stop. Let's highlight this word we because it is our sight word of the week. We see orange. Wait a minute, my sight word detectives. I remember see was our previous, that means we already learned it, sight word. So I'm going to underline it. We see brown. What should I do with this we? That's right, I should highlight it because it is our sight word of the week. What should I do with this word see? That's right, I should underline it because we've already learned that sight word. We see leaves. Okay, what should I do? That's right. Highlight we and underline see. We see leaves on the ground. Is there a word I should underline in this sentence? You're right. I should underline the word the because we already learned that one. That was one of our previous sight words. Let's keep going. Sight word detectives. We see yellow. I'm going to highlight we and I'm going to highlight see. We see red. What should I do to the word see? Oh, underline it. Why? Because it was our previous sight word. Very good. We see leaves above our head. Wow, boys and girls, I am really impressed. I have one more question for you. Are there any words that rhyme? On your paper, circle the 2 words that rhyme. Good job, boys and girls.